Can an original R600a compressor be replaced with an R134a compressor in a damaged refrigeration or freezing unit? When considering this replacement, it is important to understand the differences between both refrigerants. R600a isobutane has a lower density and lower volumetric capacity compared to R134a, which affects the system design and its components. First, we must mention that the new R134a compressor should have a cooling capacity in watts or BTU per hour, similar to the one being replaced, compared at the same operating temperature. Below are the key points to consider in this change. 1. Component replacement and system cleaning. Since a faulty compressor is being replaced, it is recommended to change the filter dryer and the capillary tube. Additionally, a thorough system flush and proper vacuuming must be performed before recharging to remove oil residues and possible contaminants. 2. Evaporator. The volumetric capacity of R600a is much lower than that of R134a, which means an evaporator specifically designed for R600a must be capable of handling a high gas volume to compensate for the lower heat absorption capacity of R600a refrigerant. This allows the original evaporator to be large enough to operate with R134a without issues, maintaining the appropriate low side pressure. 3. Condenser. Systems designed for R600a gas usually have a larger condenser due to the higher volume per unit mass of this refrigerant. For this reason, the existing condenser is sufficient to condense R134a without modifications, ensuring it operates with the correct high side pressure. 4. Capillary tube. It is essential to replace the original R600a capillary tube with one appropriately sized for R134a, adjusting it to match the exact capacity of the new compressor. 5. Refrigerant charge amount. The refrigerant charge in grams for R134a will be significantly higher than what was used with R600a to achieve the same cooling capacity. 6. Refrigerant charging method. The refrigerant recharge should not be performed by weight, as density differences will cause charging errors. Instead, the charge should be monitored by checking the operating pressure and compressor current consumption to ensure it runs within the recommended values.